Look who it is.
Glad to see you too, asshole.
Believe it or not, I am glad to see you. I'm sponsoring a boat in this charity race, but unfortunately my driver's at home in a full body cast. Right now, seems he had a problem with keeping up with some debts he owed to some unsavory folks.
Bummer.
You know how to drive a boat?
Yeah?
Great.
Yeah.
Hey, Jay. It's Racer Girl. That you driving the Rev's boat?
Yeah.
Hot stuff out there. If you want to make some more waves, I can set you up with some other boat races at some point.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.